In this lecture, we will discuss some important laws and rules of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra laws and rules are mainly divided into two categories: AND laws and OR laws. To understand the laws, we need to understand the behavior of an AND gate. This is the symbol for AND gate. This is a two-input AND gate. It has two inputs, A and B, and the output is Y. Similarly, the symbol for OR gate is this one. This is a two-input OR gate. The two inputs are A and B, and the output is Y. The equivalent electrical network can be explained by connecting two switches A and switch B in series, along with the power supply and the output, as shown in figure. Similarly, the behavior of OR gate can be explained by the help of the electrical circuit. For OR law, the switch A and B are connected in parallel. The supply is given by the power supply, and the output is verified with the help of output load. Now let us understand the truth table of a two-input AND gate. For two input, the possible combinations are 4. The 4 possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. For 0, 0 output is 0, for 0, 1 output is 0, for 1, 0 output is again 0, and for 1, 1 the output is 1. Similarly, the truth table for OR gate is the two inputs are A and B, and the output is Y. Again, 0, 0 output is 0, 0, 1 output is 1, 1, 0 output is 1, 1, 1 output is 1. Now you can see here, if both the inputs are 1, then output is 1. If any of the input is 0, then output is 0. In the same way, the truth table of OR gate can be explained as: if both the inputs are off, the output is off. Output is on if any of the input is 1. Doesn't matter the second input is on or off. Now the AND laws are 0, 0, 0 and 1, A and 0, A and 1, A and A and A bar or A complement. Similarly, the OR laws are 0 plus 0 or 0 or 0, 0 or 1, A or 0, A or 1, A or A or A bar. Now let us explain the AND law with the help of an AND gate symbol and take this example. As both the inputs are A, apply A to both the inputs. If A equal to 0, 0 will be supplied in both the inputs. 0 and 0 will always be equal to 0. If A is equal to 1, will be supplied to both the inputs, and 1 is always equal to 1. So ultimately A and A is always equal to A. In the same way, A dot 1 is equal to A and A bar is equal to 0, A and 0 is equal to 0, 0 and 1 is equal to 0, 0 and 0 is equal to 0. Now let us explain OR laws with the help of OR gate and take this example. Here the first input is A and the second input is 1. A have two possible values, 0, 1. When you apply 0 and 1, then output will be equal to 1. when you apply 1 and 1, the output will always be equal to 1. Similarly, a plus a will be equal to a, or a bar will be equal to 1. A plus a plus 0 is equal to a, 0 or 1 equal to 1, 0 or 0 is equal to 0. Now, a and 0 and a or 1 are called annulment law. Similarly, a and 1 and a or 0 is called identity law. A and a plus a are called idempotent law. And the last one is a and a bar and a plus a bar is called complement law of Boolean algebra. Now, apart from this, there are some more important laws are commutative law, associative law, and distributive law. In short, we call it as CAD law. Commutative law is A or B is equal to B or A and B is equal to B and A. Associative law is A or B or C is equal to A or B or C. A and B and C is equal to A and B and C. Distributive law is A or B and C is equal to A or B and A or C. A and B or C is equal to A and B or A and C. Other important laws such as consensus law, absorption law, duality theorem, De Morgan's theorem will be explained in the upcoming lecture. Thanks for watching.